Hey guys, another day, another dyno. This time we're back with a 408 Windsor. This is our ProStreet crate engine, so it's all forged. Forged crank, forged rods, forged pistons, steel top ring, Napier second, and it is balanced internally. It's got one of our custom billet cams. It's kind of mild, it's like 226 duration. It's actually set up for a vintage Mustang, and it's got an automatic transmission. So nothing too crazy. But a customer did want to have 500 horsepower, so I think we've already eclipsed that just slightly. It's got the Edelbrock dual plane intake, so it's got the AirGap. 7581 is the part number. It has been port matched to the heads. For carburetor, we've got a Holley 770 vacuum secondary carb, and as you can see on the distributor side, we've got an MSD distributor. So that's on there. You can see the ugly thermostat housing and the water pump, but that's just for our dyno use only. And I'm sure you guys have noticed too that we've been using a lot of these Proform / Ford Racing valve covers. And to be honest with you, I think it's the best valve covers that the Ford guys have had in a long time. So that's why we're running them. On the bottom end for the oiling, we are running a Canton 15-660 pan. Make sure we have plenty of oil, and make sure that there's no starvation issues when he finally hits it. So let's see what it does.
Hey guys, so as Toby mentioned, we're on the dyno with this 408 with California 91 octane gas. It's a hydraulic roller cam, just a nice real street setup. Put a little bit of heat in it. And I think we're pretty much good to go. So we're going to turn this engine from about 3,500 to 6,000 RPM. Back to idle nice and smooth, 14 inches, and we've got 514 foot-pounds of torque at 4,800 RPM, and horsepower peaks out at 518 horsepower at 5,700 RPM. Now you can see the imbalance in the dual plane intake. That's just the way things are, and we do have a little bit of vacuum that we're pulling with the carburetor. So that's telling us we've got a little bit more to go if we go to a larger size carburetor, but with this torque curve, you've got 475 foot-pounds of torque from 3,500 and on up. Just a nice, flat, broad torque curve for a street engine. This is going to be a perfect combination. It's a square combination. It's going to make a perfect tire fryer. It's going in a light Mustang, so I think the customer is going to be very happy with this. Again, it's a 408 with 185 AFR heads, so it's going to have really good velocity, good off-the-line acceleration, just an all-around great street engine. Enjoy it. All right, thanks again, and hope you join us soon.